What's up, guys? Rock here, coming back at you with another video. It's been a minute since I've wore the vlogging helmet so I could actually talk. But hey, here we are, and I'm here for a purpose today. I'm here to do a review on all of my Viking bags. I don't know if everybody likes to run bags. I don't know why you wouldn't. They seem pretty critical to me, and I can tell you, I'm on a 2020 Harley Fat Bob, and finding bags for this bike was not easy, especially ones that didn't completely break the bank. VikingBags offered all of those solutions, all of them. I got great prices, all the bags that I needed and wanted, and even more, even a Sissy Bar. So I'm going to get to my destination here, and we're going to do a walk around. I'm going to kind of go over them all one by one and show you kind of their functionality for me, and maybe you can decide if they apply to you, and based on the pricing that's available right today, maybe you want to pick up some too. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not getting paid to do this. I just really love this company. I really love their products, and that is why I've covered my bike in them. And I always look at their website to see if there's anything new out there. So anyway, I'll check back with you in a minute once we get to the destination, and we'll go over the bags. All right, welcome back. So what we have here is a 2020 Harley Davidson Fat Bob Softail. So if anybody knows anything about these bikes, the customization on them is kind of limited. There's lots of stuff for the Dyna series that was pre-2017, but since it converted to a Softail, there's just not a lot of options out there. So that's where VikingBags really came in for me, because I was looking for some saddlebags, and I was looking for a Sissy Bar, and saddlebags options were just really limited because of the stock exhaust. Granted, I have changed the stock exhaust since then, so now I probably have a few more options. As far as VikingBags go, I can definitely put some bigger bags on there, which is pretty cool. But let's start up front here. Up front here we have a tool bag. It's called the Viking Patriot tool bag for Harley Davidson. It's just a cool little bag. You can put a toolkit in there. What I like to kind of stow in there is I have some sunglasses and garage door opener and my vape, you know, I guess if you do that. But it's pretty roomy. You can see that. Plenty of room for a small tool bag and just some odds and ends, easy to get to stuff, maybe some keys or what have you. Keeps everything kind of tucked away and safe. I like it on the front of the handlebars. There's other places you can put it though, obviously. That right now is only $39.99. It's on sale. With a coupon, you can get it down to $33.99. So great deal. Like I said, the prices are just awesome. Viking really hits the mark on pricing. So let's work our way back here. We got the Viking Diablo plain leather motorcycle left and right solo bags. These are for the, they claim they're for the Harley Davidson Softail Fat Bob, which they work perfectly with my stock exhaust. So kind of get you a closer look here. It's got a single clasp. It's just kind of a fake buckle. So it actually has like a little clip. It's got a nice closure on top. It mounts directly to the side panel of your fender there. Decent storage. There is a small zipper bag on the inside here. So you can store something small in there. But yeah, decent storage. I've fit some crazy stuff in there that probably shouldn't go in there, like I think I had a hoodie rolled up one time and smashed it in there. so you can get some stuff in there. The mount was real easy. It came with all the hardware that you needed. The price on that right now is $49.99 a piece. With a coupon, you get it down to $42.99. So I did use the coupon on these, so I got both bags for just a little over 80 bucks, which if you've ever priced saddlebags before, holy cow, they are expensive. So let's move on back to the Dagr medium motorcycle Sissy Bar bag. This bag is totally awesome. So it's got side zipper pockets on, perfect for storing. I got a pair of glasses and I think some sunscreen in there. On this side, I always have the essential energy drink if it's a full 16-ounce can with ease. The inside is very spacious. I always keep a hoodie, and I have my half helmet, my skull helmet in there. Some odds and ends, some wipes for visor, you know, get those bugs off. And I have a power bank. I have my GoPro stuff in here. So, I mean, again, lots of room. Like, for a medium bag, I was impressed because I was thinking it's going to be a little smaller than it is, but it's not. It's the perfect size, right? It's not huge, but it's not too small, so you can fit whatever you want. The only downside is it doesn't fit a full helmet, but that didn't bother me too bad because I like wearing my half helmet more than my full size. So that right now is on sale for $69.41. With a coupon, you can get it down to $59.41. So while you can, I would get this. So one thing I forgot to mention with the Sissy Bar bag, it comes with these cool metal bars on both sides, and you can adjust them in and out so it accommodates different size Sissy bars, so you can get the tight, you know, the fit really tight. Also, it comes with extra straps to secure everything down. It comes with backpack straps, so if you want to carry it as a backpack, you can do that. Super dope bag, guys. Get you one. You will not regret it. All right, so what's left here? What's left is a Sissy Bar. So this is a 25-inch Sissy Bar for the Harley Softail. It's in the Fat Bob category, but it fits any Softail above 2018, I believe. So that was $69.41. You can get it with a coupon for $59.41. So again, mounts right to the side here, real easy. Comes with all the hardware, bolted right up. Took me all of 5 minutes to do it. All right, guys, so that wraps it up. This is my review of all my Viking bag products. So please go to VikingBags.com, check out the website, see what can make your bike look great, and change the way you ride, you know, the convenience factor, right? So I'll put all the links down in the description. Please check them out. Any questions, comments, please leave them down below if you're watching this on YouTube. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate you stopping by. Peace.